Dime a dozen people on social media, real life and fitness shows have told you over and over again to drink lots of water.
My water bottle said, "Say no more."
And I've gotten this far in like less than an hour, so I'm definitely gonna have to pee my pants.
While staying hydrated is good for one's body, how much water could be categorized as a lot is debatable. A parameter that seems to be ubiquitous is that one should drink 8 glasses of water a day to stay healthy. But do you really need 8 glasses of water every day? Most of us are guilty of trying to shove 8 glasses of water to achieve clear skin and a healthy body. This recommendation reportedly came into existence in 1974 when a nutritionist, Dr. Frederick J. Stead, recommended drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. The UK NHS recommends 6 to 8 glasses or up to 1.2 liters of fluids and not just water. Here is the thing. Everything we eat and drink has water in it. Coffee, tea, fruit salad, and so on. So a percentage of our body's water requirements come from the food and beverages we consume. The 8 glasses of daily water requirement, popularized by the 8 into 8 challenge, is just a myth. There is no scientific evidence that drinking 8 glasses of water has anything to do with overall health or clear skin. But there is evidence that drinking 8 glasses of water will only make you go to the loo a lot more frequently than you would like. Just try it and you will know. Water is cool. If you have water and a bunch of sugary drinks to choose from, by all means go for water, as it is a healthier option, but you do not need to force yourself to drink an excessive amount of water. Drink water when you feel thirsty. Do not force yourself to drink more. If you exercise, your body will need more water than the average Joe who does not work out, as you need to replenish what you've lost in the sweat. Some people with medical conditions like kidney stones may need to drink more water. If you have a medical condition that is affected by water intake, then discuss it with your doctor. Does drinking lots of water make your skin look hydrated and clear? Well, the answer to that question is not really. According to experts quoted in a Guardian report, water detox is not even a thing. Our kidneys do a great job of sorting out what needs to be retained and what needs to be discarded. While dehydration is bad for the skin, drinking excess water will not have any impact on your skin. If you are healthy, then once you hit a certain level of fluid intake, any excess water will be peed out. Water detox may not be a thing, but drinking more water than you can pee is a thing. And no, we did not make this up. Drinking too much water can kill. This phenomenon of drinking more water than you can pee is called water intoxication. It occurs when the amount of electrolytes in the body become imbalanced by excessive water intake, so much so that it can disrupt brain functions. The symptom of water intoxication includes confusion, disorientation, nausea, and vomiting. In rare cases, water intoxication can cause swelling in the brain and become fatal. So if you are a healthy individual and have not been told otherwise by a doctor, drink water when you feel thirsty, and remember that peeing 5 to 7 times a day is pretty normal. Tune into ShowFit for more interesting, enlightening and intriguing health news and wellness tips.